I proudly present the most beautiful dog in Switzerland. And I also present you the most beautiful view. Huh? Yeah, this is Lauterbrunnen. Nice, oder? In this video I will show you Lauterbrunnen in the morning, Lauterbrunnen in the evening, Lauterbrunnen at night. So the whole stuff about Lauterbrunnen, okay? Yeah. I want to try to show you some corners you probably never seen in Lauterbrunnen. Huh? At least I try. And did you know that Lauterbrunnen has a bath, ein Freibad? Yeah, it's not that big, but it's one. Yeah, they slowly decorate everything with Swiss flags, as you can see. Yeah, because soon we are celebrating Switzerland's birthday. Happy birthday. Oh, no, it's too early. You see flags everywhere, huh? In almost every house. We eat now typically Swiss fondue with Vacherin cheese. Yeah. And we have potatoes and bread. And we pimped it with garlic and Schnittlauch and stuff like this. Swiss flag again. Swiss flags everywhere. Yeah, they're prepared. Huh? Unfortunately, look, it's also here. Unfortunately, it is not allowed to do the firework. But the animals say, thank you. Also Rasta. Oh, that's a big flag over there. Look at one. Ooh, nice. Well, that's a big one, though. Crazy. Imagine you're just walking like me in this valley and how it feels. Huh? Look at what? Crazy, right? Yeah. Yeah, that's exactly how it feels. Look at my smile. I hear a Alphorn far away, but I don't know where it is. Yeah, maybe we'll find it later, huh? You know me already, but what I love most when I am in a hotel room, I love to eat my breakfast on the balcony. Yeah, at least when I have a view like this. I mean, weißt du, was ich meine? Huh? Yeah, that's the life.